What's up, everybody? Rivera here. Happy Monday. M2 Mondays, they call it on Instagram. I'm going to open this one right here. Forgot I had this one. I got it on a trade from some dude on Instagram. If you guys remember, I opened this one on a live stream. A poor video quality live stream, but here it is on a clear picture. Yes. So that one's missing the bed. This one is too. I'm gonna compare both of those together. And since we're at it, I'm gonna open this one as well. ¿Cómo están, guys? Feliz lunes. M2 lunes es lo que le llaman en Instagram. Voy a abrir este. Se me olvidó que tenía este. Lo agarré en un intercambio en Instagram. Si recuerdan, abrí este en un directo, pero el video estaba bien mal, so aquí está más claro. Vamos a, bueno, no comparar los dos, pero le falta ahí atrás la cama esa, so a ver cómo se ven los dos juntos. Y ya que estamos abriendo M2, pues vamos a abrir estos también. So let me put the camera right here. All right, here we go. There it is. A lot of people like this clamshell because they get to recard it, is what they call it. You could put it back in there, so you really don't have to damage the entire clamshell. We'll crack our M2 machines open here. Look at this. Look at that engine. If I had a hood, probably have a hole right there, have that pipe sticking up. Kind of wish the exhaust was chrome, but it's nice. 73 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10. Brown interior. Love those shark teeth. Nice. Really cool. We're gonna take this off. Alright, Skyline. Out you go. There it is. And it rolls really good, man. Cool. A little delicate right here in the back, but ahí está. Un poco delicado ahí las pipas. Mira el motor. El interior sí tiene buen detalle. Me gusta la cabina. Y los dientes ahí. Alright, let's take this one out of the rack and let's put them side by side. That one's cool right there. Yeah, really like those step sides. All right. Eesh. I'm gonna invest in a little Phillips drill bit so I can use my cordless. There it is. Ahí está. The hood opens. Yeah. Look at that. What do you think about this piece? See what I mean about the chrome exhaust piping? There's the black exhaust on this one, but I mean that makes the truck too, so están los dos. Un poco delicado ahí, pero ahí están los dos. ¿Qué te parece de estos? Esto es lo que está diciendo, los escapes están cromados. Me gustaría verlo en la verde, pero está bien. Sí se ven bien. There they are, head to head. Ooh, man. Made this little, I put some tape right here, some road tape right here on this M2 hauler base, so I can just feature these. And then one of these square bodies so we can compare to that one right there. All right, let's open this up. AutoZone. really dig the black one. I like the black one. Nice black flaky paint. Good job, man. But this orange one though, I like that. Me gusta la camioneta negra. La pintura está bien también. Pero algo de esta camioneta anaranjada que es, sí me gusta, man. Se abre el cofre. Nomás eso. Pero lo quería comparar con esta. Look at that black. Again on this one too. Pretty cool. Yeah. I'll probably mix up. Probably put this step side right there on the other rack. I'll put those two together on the display. We'll see. Let me know what you think about these pieces as well. Which one is your favorite? Any of these? Or the bedless trucks? Déjame saber cuál es tu favorito de estas. Las que tienen las camas atrás o estas. Sencillas, man. I like this green one. I really like this green one. I've seen a lot of pictures on Instagram and here on YouTube. Shout out to everybody that did a video on this piece. Cool, man. Made me get it. Shout out M2 Machines also for pushing these out. And they're still gonna make more, huh? Alright. Gracias por mirar el video, guys. Saludos. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. I'll talk to you guys later.